Hey guys, my name is Rudy. Welcome to my channel of stuff and things. Today I'm more or less sweaty already, so I'm good thing I'm getting my dryer fixed so I can do some washing. So anyway guys, here's the final test. It was a weekend project and here's how it turned out. Hugely important. No spare parts. Checked everything once or twice. I'm going to let this thing air out. I'm not going to run it extensively because I did use some lubricant. So we're going to go ahead and put this in. Very important. Okay. And here we go. Drum roll, please. Not everything's connected. That's why we see some stuff flying around a little bit. But I think I got this thing restored, and all it really cost me was some elbow grease, about a load of laundry. Hey guys, like I said, thank you for watching my channel doing stuff and things. If you have any questions on dryer repair, let me know. Again, this is a how-to video only to show you kind of what's involved and if it's something you want to do. If you do not feel uncomfortable doing any of these things, so you're authorized repair person. Okay guys, till next time. Take care.